Frankly speaking, I feel parenting also needs some parenting course. You have to pass some parenting course to be a parent. No, I am not talking about educated or uneducated or lower economic strata or higher economic strata. I'm not talking about those. Parenting is an inborn skill, everyone thinks, but nobody teaches you parenting. And I felt with my experience that most of the parents are not worth being parents. There are so many there are so many parenting where the parents does not protect the child from the molesters or rapists if they are inside home only in some relationship. Like in the previous video I told you that the mamaji used to rape the child and the child committed suicide at very young age at say 18 or 19 because the mother was not accepting the fact that mamaji can rape her. Okay, now there are so many relationships where the parents does not support or protect the child. Every parent should cut off relationship of any person who are torturing their kids, but most of the time the parents does not accept that many of the times it changes to incest relation, because when your parents are not protecting you and your mamaji, mosaji, buaji, fufaji, whoever is molesting you, raping you consistently, and you cannot shout because your mother does not believe you or not interested to protect you. So in those cases it happens that it turns into incest relationship because the child is not left with any other choice. But in the adult cases, I have seen someone got married and the husband was spending night secretly with some widow bhabhi, and that girl, that sweet girl, she came back with all her ornaments quickly to Maika and never went back. That child was not having, that girl was not having, she has lost her father also. So that advantage was taken by that loose character person who knew that I will marry someone very innocent and someone very helpless, and so that she has to go through all the tortures because will not have the courage to leave. Some with high moral commit suicide because they cannot adjust, and some changes into incest relationship. Now, according to whom? According to you, which one is better? These are not stories of Hindi movies. These are real life incidents.